going to teach you how to uh, use the oDesk memo timesheet. So at first, you should log in on oDesk team. Sign in. And then start your tracking time. So if you're an appointment setter, you don't have to put the memo here at first. So just start and be sure to click this and never because if it says 15 minutes, you will be reminded every 15 minutes to change your memo. But then if it says never, you will not be reminded to check to change your memo. So you have to be uh, to remind yourself to change your memo every time you shift to another business industry to call. So you just hit start. So while calling, after your shift, you could change your memo or the last snapshot of your memo on oDesk. So if you're still on, I will let you see how to do it in the tracker and then also in the website. So in here, you just right click the oDesk time tracker and toolbar, and then click memo, and then put for example, you've done calling for catering business, and then you put how many you've called. For example, 20 calls slash, if you have follow-up, you could also put it 10 follow-up. Okay, you can put 20 new calls and 10 follow-ups there. So just hit OK, and then if it doesn't snapshot, or it doesn't put a snapshot, you have to wait for that snapshot if you're going to do another business. You have to stop the tracking time and then start it again, and then with this memo you just start, and then you will see it will automatically have a snapshot here. So if it's snapshot and then you see it's already there, so you check your oDesk, and then your reports, Timelogs. Then you'll see here that you should have one here, but as you can see, oDesk is report is updated every 30 minutes, so you have to go to that actual date and check on it if it's already changed. There, as you can see, it's already in there. So the time logs will be updated every 30 minutes, so it will appear later. So that's the one way to change the catering business. And then the other way, the memo, the memo. So the other way is, second way is by actually editing this one to the memo. I think you already know it, but just so you don't know it, this is it. So just click the green and then put this one. I would just add creating video for appointment setters. Then update, hit update. So as you can see, it will be updated when you hover your mouse on it. It's already updated. So what Bruce wants is you have to actually have one memo in every day. So as you can see, for example, reports. In this one, in every date, should have one memo on it. But if you're calling two different industries, you should have two memos. So you have to change memo every time at the end of the shift on every business. So for example, right now we're working on catering business, and then suddenly you're already done with catering business, and then uh, you change another one. You change it to another one, and you just uh, make this empty again. So it will appear on when it snapshot again after 5 minutes or after 10 minutes. The memo or the memo would be blank. So after that shift, you have to just change the memo again. And then, for example, you're calling for car wash, car wash business, and then the number of leads, the number of new calls you made, new calls, and then the follow-up call. So that's it. Just hit OK. Then, as I've said, you check the the uh, actual work diary, just so if it's there already there. So if it's not, you should have change it here. Just click on that and then change it. So that's it. I hope this will fix all the issues about the time logs. Thank you and regards. Bye.